Breaking news. France faces devastating storms and extreme weather events. June 22, 2024. In a dramatic and unprecedented series of events, France has been struck by violent storms that have caused widespread destruction and chaos. Over the past few days, the country has witnessed a range of severe weather phenomena, including large hailstones, devastating floods, and even tornadoes. The period from June 19 to June 22 has been particularly catastrophic, with natural disasters dominating headlines and causing significant disruption and distress. One of the hardest-hit areas is Craon in the Mayenne department, where extreme rainfall has led to what is being described as the worst flood in recent history. Over 1,000 cars were swept away by the torrential waters, and more than 500 homes have suffered severe property damage. Residents are grappling with the aftermath as entire neighborhoods remain submerged, and recovery efforts are underway to provide relief and support to those affected. In addition to the flooding, large hailstones have pummeled various regions, causing significant damage to vehicles, homes, and crops. The unprecedented size of the hailstones has left many in shock, with numerous reports of shattered windows and dented roofs. Tornadoes, a relatively rare phenomenon in France, have also been reported. These powerful twisters have torn through rural and urban areas alike, uprooting trees, destroying buildings, and leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The sudden and violent nature of these tornadoes has heightened the sense of fear and uncertainty among residents. These extreme weather events are not just isolated incidents, but are part of a growing trend of severe natural disasters being observed worldwide. Scientists and environmentalists are pointing to global warming and climate change as key factors, contributing to the increasing frequency and intensity of such phenomena. The pain and devastation experienced in France are a stark reminder of the broader environmental crisis that humanity faces. Emergency services, local authorities, and volunteers are working tirelessly to assist those affected by the disasters. Shelters have been set up for displaced families, and efforts are being made to restore essential services and infrastructure. However, the scale of the damage means that full recovery will take time. The floods have had a profound impact on the residents of Craon and surrounding areas. Families have been forced to evacuate their homes, leaving behind personal belongings and cherished memories. The emotional toll is immense, as many return to find their homes uninhabitable and their possessions destroyed. The environmental impact of the floods is also significant. Rivers have burst their banks, leading to soil erosion and contamination of water sources. Wildlife habitats have been destroyed, and the long-term ecological consequences are yet to be fully understood. Infrastructural damage is extensive, with roads, bridges, and public utilities severely affected. Repairing and rebuilding these critical infrastructures will require substantial investment and time. Authorities are prioritizing the restoration of essential services, such as electricity, water supply, and transportation networks to facilitate recovery efforts. Schools, hospitals, and businesses have also been affected, disrupting daily life and essential services. The local economy, heavily dependent on agriculture and small enterprises, is facing severe setbacks. Crops have been ruined by the floods, and local businesses are struggling to recover from the damage. In the long term, there is an urgent need for more robust climate action and disaster preparedness measures. Governments, communities and individuals must work together to mitigate the effects of climate change and build resilience against future disasters. As the world watches France navigate through this crisis, it serves as a sobering reminder of the fragility of our environment and the immediate need for collective action to safeguard our planet. Stay tuned for live updates and in-depth coverage of the ongoing extreme weather events in France and beyond. News from Nature Reality.